Simple starting of the Aldi garden line chainsaw. Straightforward, easy to use. First of all, make sure the safety guard is on, pushing that black plastic guard forwards. Make sure the red switch is on. We then prime the machine, maybe 4 or 5 pushes until you can sort of feel a bit of pressure that the bubble's full. Pull the choke out. One pull of the pull cord, bracing with your foot. Yep. Push the choke in, and then 1 or 2 pulls should get you going. We need the chainsaw to run for about a minute, let it warm up, and then you should be, you pull the guard back and you should be good to cut. Turn off the machine, simply press the red button and pull the guard forward just to lock it for next time. Easy, straightforward.